Welcome to The Future Files, where we explore the possibilities and innovations that shape our future. In today's episode, we dive into the world of blockchain technology and its applications beyond cryptocurrency. Join us as we uncover the diverse potential of blockchain and how it is reshaping various industries. Segment 1. Understanding blockchain technology. To begin, let's unravel the fundamentals of blockchain technology. We explain the concept of decentralized, distributed ledgers and the immutability and security they provide. Discover how blockchain works and why it has the potential to revolutionize traditional systems of trust and verification. Segment 2. Blockchain in finance and banking. While blockchain gained popularity through cryptocurrencies, its potential extends far beyond that. We explore how blockchain is transforming the finance and banking industry. From streamlined cross-border payments to smart contracts and decentralized finance, DeFi, we delve into the applications that are making financial transactions more efficient, transparent, and secure. Segment 3. Supply chain management and traceability. The transparency and immutability of blockchain have found applications in supply chain management. We discuss how blockchain technology enables end-to-end traceability, ensuring the authenticity and integrity of products. Discover how blockchain is being used to combat counterfeit goods, track the origin of raw materials, and promote ethical sourcing. Segment 4. Healthcare and medical records. Blockchain holds immense potential in the healthcare industry. We explore how it addresses the challenges of medical data management and interoperability. Learn how blockchain-based systems can securely store and share patient records, facilitate medical research, and enhance data privacy, empowering individuals to have greater control over their health information. Segment 5. Voting systems and governance. The integrity of voting systems and governance processes can benefit from blockchain technology. We discuss how blockchain-based voting systems can enhance transparency, security, and verifiability in elections. Discover the potential for decentralized governance models and how blockchain is reshaping democracy and decision-making processes. Segment 6. Intellectual property and copyright protection. Protecting intellectual property and combating copyright infringement is a critical issue in the digital age. We explore how blockchain can provide a secure and immutable record of ownership and rights. Discover how blockchain-based platforms are revolutionizing the way creators protect their work, ensuring fair compensation and preventing unauthorized use. Segment 7. Energy trading and grid management. Blockchain technology has the potential to transform the energy sector. We discuss how blockchain enables peer-to-peer energy trading, decentralized energy markets, and efficient grid management. Explore the opportunities for renewable energy integration, energy traceability, and democratization of energy access through blockchain-based solutions. As we conclude our exploration of blockchain technology beyond cryptocurrency, it becomes evident that its potential is vast and far-reaching. From finance to supply chains, healthcare to governance, blockchain is disrupting traditional systems and opening doors to new possibilities. The future holds immense potential for blockchain-based applications that will reshape industries and create a more transparent, secure, and decentralized world. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening episode of The Future Files. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more engaging content on the future of science, technology, and innovation.